Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson.
Customizing sales forms. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover customizing sales forms in QuickBooks Online. Topics. Options for customizing forms. Adding a custom field to sales forms. How many custom fields can be added? Creating a custom form style. Customizing the form design. Completing a custom form template. Pro Advisor Challenge. Stand out from the crowd. QuickBooks Online's out-of-the-box forms, such as invoices and purchase orders, allow your clients to create documents and send them to customers with just a few clicks. However, some clients may want to customize their forms to add additional fields to show specific information, for example. They may also want to change how their forms look and the information that they contain. How can you and QuickBooks Online help? QuickBooks Online has tools that allow your clients to customize invoices, estimates, sales receipts, refund receipts, credit memos, and purchase orders. Customization options include adding new fields to sales forms and, in some cases, changing their design and content. Options for customizing forms. QuickBooks Online has two key features that allow clients to customize forms. Both are accessed from the gear icon. Custom fields allow clients to add unique fields to their sales forms and/or purchase orders. Custom form styles allow clients to create customized templates for their invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. Select each heading to explore how that feature works. Custom fields. Custom form styles. Custom fields. Opening the Custom Fields tool displays a list of existing custom fields. In the example below, you can see that two custom fields have been created, one for purchase orders and the other for sales forms. Note that if you're setting up QuickBooks Online for a new client, this will likely be empty when you first open the Custom Fields tool. There might be fields here if you converted their company file from QuickBooks Desktop. Custom Form Styles. Opening the Custom Form Styles tool displays a list of the form styles that have already been created, plus the standard, default, form template. Clients can edit and rename any custom form styles that they've created. They can also edit the standard form template, although they can't rename it. The Custom Form Styles tool gives clients extensive options to configure the visual design of the form, the items, columns, and headers that appear on it, and how the form appears in emails to customers. You'll see how to create a new custom form style later in the lesson. Adding a custom field to sales forms. Let's look at how to add a custom field to forms. Select the gear icon, then select Custom Fields. Select Add Field. In the Name field, enter the name of the custom field. To customize sales forms such as invoices, check the box next to all sales forms. Use the Print on Forms slider to make the custom field appear on printed or emailed transactions. When done, select Save. Back on the custom field screen, the new custom field appears. Note that there is a checkmark in the columns of the transaction forms that the custom field applies to. The print icon next to them indicates whether the custom field is set to show for customers and vendors on printed or emailed forms. The new custom field now appears on transaction forms that the custom field applies to. Pro Advisor Tip. Clients can add custom fields for internal use only, that they don't want customers or vendors to see. Always remind clients to check which custom fields they want to show on printed or emailed forms. How many custom fields can be added? The number of custom fields that clients can add to forms depends on their subscription level, as shown here. Subscription level. Sales forms. Purchase orders. QuickBooks Online Simple Start. Not available. Not available. QuickBooks Online Essentials. Up to 3. Not available. QuickBooks Online Plus. Up to 3, shared across both sales forms and purchase orders. QuickBooks Online Advanced. Up to 12 active custom fields for each of the following. Purchase orders. Sales forms. Expense forms. Customer profiles. Vendor profiles. Follow this link for a detailed article on how to create and edit custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Creating a custom form style. Now let's explore how to create a custom form style. For this example, we'll create a customized template for invoices. To start, select the gear icon, then Custom Form Styles. From the drop-down next to New Style, select Invoice. The Custom Form tool has 3 tabs: Design, Content, and Emails. It opens at the Design tab by default, as you can see here. Let's look at each of these tabs in more detail, starting with Customizing the Form Design. Customizing the Form Design. The Custom Form Styles tool has an extensive selection of options for customizing the form design. Let's walk through these now. In the Design tab, start by giving the template a unique name. To change the default template, select Dive in with the template and choose one of the options. Note that changing a template may affect progress invoices. To confirm the new template, select Change Template. The preview on the right updates with the changes to show what the form will look like. To add a logo, select Make Logo Edits and choose the plus icon to upload a new logo. When done, select Save. To modify how and where the logo appears on the form, use the size and placement options. Change the colors used for highlighting by selecting Splash on some color. To change the font style and size, use the options under the Get Choose with your font section. Review and edit the printing options by selecting the When in Doubt, Print It Out section once ready. Move on to the Content tab to edit more details of the template. Completing a custom form template. Once you've configured the form design, you can define what content to include on the form and how you want it to appear in emails. You can then use the customized form style as the new template for invoices. Select each question to find out how to create a custom form style. How can you specify which content to include on the form? The Content tab allows clients to customize the information appearing on invoices that use this template. Forms are divided into 3 sections: header, table, the center section, and footer. Each section contains a selection of settings and fields the client can edit, some of which are specific to the form type. Select a section from the preview area on the right to edit it. The header contains the business name and address, shipping information, and payment method. The table shows the details of the product/service being sold. Clients can choose what information to include on the form. They can also edit the column labels and customize their width. The footer allows clients to add a personalized message and/or any other message they'd like to include on this part of the form. How can you customize how the form appears in emails? The Emails tab allows clients to choose how invoices appear in emails. There's an option to select whether the customer sees full or summarized details, and whether the form is embedded in the email or attached as a PDF. Clients can also customize the message that accompanies the form when it's sent to customers. Note that the reminder email option is only available with invoices, not estimates and sales receipts. It allows clients to edit the reminder email message. What should you do once you've customized the form style? To see how invoices based on this new template will look, select Preview PDF. Otherwise, when finished, select Done. The new template now appears in the list of customized form styles. How do you use a custom template when you're creating a sales form? When your client creates a new invoice, sales receipt, or estimate, QuickBooks Online bases it on the default form style. This could be the out-of-the-box template, or a customized style the client created using the Custom Form Style tool. If the client wants to use this customized form style as the default template for future invoices, select the arrow in the Action column and select Make Default. QuickBooks Online applies this customized form style whenever the client creates an invoice for their customers. The client can choose a different form style by selecting Customize at the bottom of the form, then selecting a template from the list. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered customizing sales forms in QuickBooks Online. Knowledge recap. QuickBooks Online's built-in tools for customizing forms give your clients the flexibility and control to personalize their sales forms and purchase orders. With some upfront support from you to help get them started, your clients can quickly start getting the most out of their accounting software. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll look at working with estimates and converting them to purchase orders and invoices.